That chef boy account. One of the mukbang. Yeah, if you ain't got these money, then you ain't had none yet. These my all-time favorites. So if you ain't never had these, go cop them. Go cop them. Walmart. Okay, you can get them anywhere. I can eat these all day, every day. If you know me in real life, you know what's going on. I take these over any other noodles. Best noodles they ever made. Put in anything, so. They spicy. Man, they not spicy. They got a little heat to it. If you try this for the first time, they real hot. When you keep eating them, it ain't that spicy as it is the first time. I can eat 6 of these things back to back.
Fish mice. Yes.
This your boy account. I ain't got enough storage, so this might be a short video. It's just a little something.
What's this t-shirt? He still what's this t-shirt with this.
See how my dreads is?
Yeah?
Just like my dreads, oodles and noodles.
No, oodles and noodles. You not going to cook. It's mine. He is. I can't hear you.
I better stop with this idea.
Done it now. I'm done it now. All this now, I'm done it now.
I know you got some cutter for me.
No.
Yeah, man. Oh. So stop. Okay, you press the video.
Man, why you messing up my camera, man? You tripping, huh?
I messed up my camera. This is my camera. He messed up his camera.
I'm doing that, baby.
He messed up his camera in the camera. His camera's not here. Look at my chip.
I love these, man. Ain't nothing better than these. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have my hydration. Tell him, man.
That's very good. Here, for Tommy, he posted. Give me, pick it up.
But there's water. This water fire. This was fat. Man, I see it. If y'all ain't got these chili noodles, you need to go and get them.